Wait, hold up. Did we? Let me check the trail real quick. Okay. Again. You want to see the trail? It's 4.8.
Really?
Yeah. Gravel. Yeah, but it's a linear 4.8. Like here. If you want, we can meet through the middle, make 2, and then get another 2.
I guess I think it's better buy off the time. Like if we can get all the way here, it just depends on time.
It just depends on time. How much time do you want to put?
Because like I said, around 1700, that's when it starts becoming around 45%.
Yeah.
So it's up to you.
Okay.
Camcorder?
No, this is a GoPro.
Oh.
David. Yeah.
Are you recording at 1440?
I'm recording at 4K, 60 FPS.
Yeah.
I like it, bro. Is this a 10?
It's an 8.
It's an 8?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
I'm telling you, bro, the 10 is really not like nothing crazy. It's with the hyper smooth, what, 3.0, 4.0, whatever it's at now?
Yeah.
That one's, I think, 2.0.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, how's it going? It's not bad.
And the hyper smooth is only really good for depending if you're using it for like dirt biking or whatever.
Yeah.
I use it for the motorcycle, and even then, like, it's really not bumpy. So
yeah.
I don't really have to use hyper smooth.
I'm gonna see if they're selling used ones on Facebook Marketplace.
Yeah, that is really good. I have no issues with it.
Because one of my boys from DR, he's like, he was born in Fort Benning, the one that was born in Fort Benning that I told you about before.
Oh, you haven't told me.
There was one guy his dad was an admiral, and
you never told me this.
he was an admiral in the Dominican Republic Navy. So he was a general, but he went to go to Fort Benning for training.
Yeah.
And at the time, he took his wife, who was pregnant, and that's how my buddy was born in Fort Benning.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
Was he an American citizen then, since he was born in Benning?
Yeah. He's got full American papers. He's USA. His sister lives in Miami. He still lives in DR. But he's like, dude, he's gone to New York and Florida, I think.
Mm-hmm.
And no, Florida for sure, but New York, I think.
Yeah.
I
mean, Florida, bro, that shit's probably like $200, bro.
From DR, yeah, it's super cheap. But he goes all the time, and he's like, dude, what I really want to do is I want to see the rest of the US, like, you know, like going mountains like Utah and like trails and all that shit.
Yeah.
And I'm like, all right, I'll go to a trail because I want to do that shit too. And when I go, I'll just get a GoPro, and I'm already on the trail, so I'll just film it and send it to you. He's like, yeah, dude, thank you.
I mean, the Benning trail was really nice. The one that we went to.
Yeah, the one that we went to, yeah. It was pretty cool.
And even then, there was multiple trails, so we didn't even fucking explore everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see why this is good for Junction.
Yeah, it's fucking shit. I don't like it.
I did 1ID best squad competition, and part of it was a 12-mile run. So we would jump here. We made it about 4 different times. It was either like 6-mile run.
So they did it by incident?
No, like to get ready.
Oh, to get ready. I think we said like, just like broke up the
tell you. Have you done a 12-mile rush before?
Last time I did was a basic, bro.
Okay, so you...
No,
you
we did
haven't
one
done
in
much
regiment,
training.
remember?
Huh?
We did one in regiment. 12?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We go 6 miles out, 6 miles back. Yeah, yeah. Never mind. Yeah, we did.
Yeah, you find out who you are when you find out you got 2 miles left and you're out of water. And you're looking at your watch and you see that you got about 30 minutes on the dot. So you're at that 3-hour mark.
See, the ruck marches, like, for me, the thing I like, that I just find it so weird is that I prefer running with a ruck than really walking with it. I feel like, I don't know about you, Sanji, but I get, like, worn out more walking with a ruck than I do with running.
Well, this place, look at how
Well, you got fucking long ass legs.
Yeah, dude.
I just do that. And then, well, I mean, I start by running.
Yeah.
And then when I get tired, because when I run with my ruck on, I run at, like, not a jogging pace, because I hate jogging with a ruck on.
I do that most of the
Do
time.
The airborne shuffle. The airborne shuffle.
I just run. So I run until I get tired, and then I go like that. And then once I got my breath caught up, I run again.
See, one thing I like to do to keep like my breath, like keep my heart rate somewhat low, is like jog for like 2 minutes, walk for a minute or like 1:30, and I just do that shit all the way through. I don't know. For me, it works.
I'm definitely gonna go hiking more often, bro. I like nature and hiking and leaving my phone off. I like that shit.
There's one called like the Prairie Walk or something like that. I don't fucking know.
Yeah, I'm still low-key pissed though.
Wow.
Like, I did all that best squad shit, and I showed that I can do a 12-mile rush in under 3 hours,
Yeah.
and they still didn't send me the aerosol.
What the fuck? I just had a captain that came back from graduation of airsoft.
Yeah, that's like one of my bucket list, like, schools I want to do,
Yeah.
but they never sent me. And I mean, I get it. We don't need soldiers that are airsoft qualified in our brigade or our division. But we still send soldiers to that school.
Yeah.
So like, why the fuck don't they send me?
I don't know. I can't.
Regular army sucks ass.
Yeah.
The more you know about it, the more you find out it sucks ass.
And even then, like I said, my captain just came back from airsoft. There was people there from regiment. There was people there from group.
You go to regiment or group, you get any school you want.
Yeah, and like I said, there was people there from regiment, people there from group. There was people there that were actually stationed there in Campbell. So it's literally just probably right across the fucking road from the unit.
Yeah.
So those are the people that you're kind of going up against to go to air assault.
Yeah, and Campbell.
No, there's always free slots. Because that's what we thought about. That's what I thought about airborne. Come to find out, they need people to go to airborne.
Yeah.
But I got an idea. Actually, no, that's psycho. I'm not gonna do it. You know, say when I go on leave, just drive to Fort Campbell with everything that I need,
That shit is definitely not gonna work.
and just be like, hey, can I walk on?
You can't? Well, it'll work. It'll piss people off, but it'll work.
Well, you still need orders at the end of the day. Like,
Do I?
I mean, yeah.
Don't they draft your orders right there?
Doubt it.
Because I saw a story. That was a math sergeant that was talking about how we got to Sapper School. Because he's a 12 Bravo. And he like kept asking to go to Sapper School, and they wouldn't send him. They would send the lieutenants. They'd send the officers. They wouldn't send him because he was a soldier. And he was at ALC at Fort Leonard Wood. So they basically told him like, hey, we're not going to send you there, but you know, ask if you can walk on. And he did.
I mean, hey, if it fucking works, then.
And he graduated Sapper School, and then he came back after ALC. Yeah. Yeah, it works. I don't know. That might be a little psycho. I'm not gonna do it. I think her right now is in the
You also then have to make sure that.
You guys want to go this way? What's this?
I mean, that's like a fucking
Let's
river.
see if it actually makes a trail, because I'm not trying to
Pretty sure just
get
going up the
ticks.
river.
Shit, they got sand and shit here?
If I lose a care, I'ma see the quality shit go.
It's coming up. It's coming up.
They fall? They don't have a course?
These niggas talking out of their neck. Don't put no coffin out of your mouth. I'm way too paranoid for threats. Hey, let's get it, bro. DOT, the money, power, respect. The last one is better. Say yes, a lot of goofies with a check. I mean, I hope them sentiments embark. My temperament bipolar, I choose violence. Okay, let's get it up. It's time for him to prove that he's a problem. Niggas clicking up, but cannot be legit. No 40 water, tell him. Yeah, get up with me. Fuck sneak this and first person shooter. I hope they came with 3 switches. I crash out like fuck rap. This many know if I had to. Got 2 teams with me. I'm snatching chains and burning tattoos. It's up. Lost too many soldiers not to play it safe. If you walk around with that stick, it ain't Andre 3K. Think I won't drop the location. I still got PTSD. Motherfuck the big 3. Nigga, it's just big me. Nigga, bum. What? I'm really like that. And your best work is a light pack. Nigga, Prince outlived Mike Jack. Nigga, bum. For all your dogs getting buried. That's a kid with all these 9s. He gon' see Pet Cemetery, nigga.
I'm gonna play J. Cole's track. J. Cole responds.
Oh, for real?
24, you won't go, is you like that? Niggas from the bottom really like that. Stepping in balances if you like that. Pop another bottle if you like that.
And then listen, Metro Boomin's post on this.
Metro?
This is Metro Boomin's beat.
out dope dealers selling dope. Is you like that? Kicking doors, kicking in doors. Is you like that? Young throw niggas selling lows. Is you like that? All 24, you won't go. Is you like that? Niggas from the bottom really like that. Stepping in Balenciagas if you like that. Pop another bottle if you like that. Banging dope niggas was John slanging powder. Walking a strip club, make it rain for 3 hours. Locked in and now I got my film in my driver. Perked out, took chances in my hood like Nevada. Surfed out outside, white interior, lasagna.
Oh fuck, I forgot to get a water flosser at Walmart.
Water?
Water flosser.
You know what I forgot? I forgot to get the, when you do the dishes, that thing that kind of you put the dishes in so that the water goes to the sink. I forgot that shit.
That holds like the dish?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is J. Cole's response.
Light work, like it's PWC, it's a cold work. Keep the heat under your seat.
Or the
I got a
PX.
phone call, they say that somebody dissing. You want some attention, it come with extensions. My dog like say the word, he on bullshit, he itching. I'm putting so much work in these streets, he got pension. I told him chill out, how I look having henchmen. If shots get to popping, I'm the one doing the clinching. I came up in the Ville, so I'm good when it's tension. He still doing shows, but fell off like the Simpsons. Your first shit was classic, your last shit was tragic. Your second shit put niggas to sleep, but they gassed it. Your third shit was massive, and that was your prime. I was trailing right behind, and I just now hit mine. Now I'm front of the line with a comfortable lead. How I run it, so I got it. Now he wants something with me. Well, he caught me at the perfect time. Jump up and see where I got here off of bars, not no controversy. Funny thing about it, bitch, I don't even want the prestige. Fuck the Grammys, cause them crackers ain't never done nothing for me. Whole slugs took my nigga soul. Drugs took another one. A rap beef ain't realer than the shit I seen in Cumberland. He averaging one hard verse like every 30 months or something. If he wasn't dissing, then we wouldn't be discussing him. Lord, don't make me have to smoke this nigga, cause I fuck with him. But push come to shove on this mic, I will humble him. I'm Nino with this thing, it's that New Jack City meme. Yeah, I'm aiming at G-Money, crying tears before I busted him. Light work, like it's PWC, it's a cold world. Keep the heat under your seat, I got a phone call, they say that somebody dissing. You want some attention, it come with extensions. My dog like say the word, he on bullshit, he itching. I'm putting so much work in these streets, he got pension. I told him chill out, how I look having henchmen. If shots get to popping, I'm the one doing the conductor. I got mixed feelings about these fucking
There's kids, yeah.
It's over for that kid.
They're right there.
Yeah.
They're right there. They're
All
having
I
like
see was the kids. I'm like, yo, where the fuck are the parents at? I'm like,
yeah, no. They're right there.
I got noticed was actually pretty cool.
He's been listening to that song like fucking ever since I moved in.
Bend that ass over, let that coochie breathe. Shake that ass, bitch. Hands all you need. Hands all you need. Hands all you need. Shake that ass and drink. Now shake that ass for me. Bend that ass over, let that coochie breathe. Shake that ass, bitch. Hands all you need. Hands all you need. Hands all you need. Shake that ass for Drake. Now shake that ass for me.
I still got some love deep inside of me. No need to lie to me. I know you got a guy, he's not a guy to me. Just say goodbye to him and take a ride to me. Ride to me. I still got some love deep inside of me. Please drag it out of me. You just might get that G-Wagon out of me. Please drag it out of me. Please drag it out. Rolly gang, petty gang, rich baby daddy gang. I'm with red like I'm at a Cincinnati gang. Hood bitch, tatter gang.
Yeah, that stretch of the road was where I was when I told you I inhaled those gnats.
Oh.
On my head, what is that to me? I put 100 bands on him, he put a rack on me. We from two different worlds, but it's a match to me. Bend it over, only time she turn her back on me for real.
Bend that ass over, let that coochie breathe. Shake that ass, bitch. Hands all you need. Hands all you need. Hands all you need. Shake that ass and drink. Now shake that ass for me. Bend that ass over, let that coochie breathe. Shake that ass, bitch. Hands all you need. Hands all you need. Hands all you need. Shake that ass for Drake.
If we fall, this is gonna hurt. For real. I like how all the fucking, I like this view right here, because like all the trees are like taken off and like you can just see like the fucking scenery. It's very therapeutic actually. It's a good trail. It's therapeutic. It's a good trail.
Look at the way that tree grows.
Test. Alright. You can cut out that other shit.
Yeah. Pull it up, Blondo. Pull it up, Blondo.
Hey, bitch, I'm from Texas, where we still ride swangers and put diamonds in our
Oh my god. He's from Texas. Right.
like a bitch.
I went to that trail in fucking Georgia.
Yeah.
But then there was like that little like lake and it said beware of alligators or whatever.
Oh yeah.
I love how me and Castro were the only ones that went and then you and Elizondo were like scared of going.
Yeah, because there's gators, bro. But you're from Florida. You love gators. You're used to them.
I want a gator.
Because if there's a sign and it says beware, there's fucking alligators. I'm gonna be like, okay, I have to beware because there's alligators. You guys are like, oh, there's alligators, let's fucking go. No, bro.
Was Castro from Florida also?
No, I forgot where Castro was from. I know his dad is from Chile. Yeah, that's why his last name's Castro. That's why he's black. That's why he's black and has a Hispanic last name.
Big shout out to them boys and I can't forget back to Texas. I've been feeling like Luca, how about that shit a blessing. Number one rule in Texas, keep it solid, ain't no telling. Hey, and always keep your fucking weapon.
I thought he was Dominican too, but he's not.
He down that
Hey! Ooh.
Hey, this is what I drink. Stop walking ahead of stripping, stop having a whole drink. Young man ahead of jigging, different, ain't know how to think.
Somebody drop a juice box.
Imagine this shit
During what?
Imagine this shit during winter.
Yeah.
All the snow is on the fucking ground.
Yeah.
You go ice skating.
The lake frozen, yeah. And then you fall in the lake and then you never come back.
Yeah. Well, I mean, also we gotta remember how fucking windy it is.
Can I do this? Oh no, wait. I'm not. I was gonna put it in here.
What? And maybe if you try hard enough.
Maybe you're not just not trying hard
always
enough.
Gone beyond the crossing of a pond.
Of a pond.
Have you heard this album yet?
As a mother, every path I walked was for my son. Challenges were a part of the journey, and what I wanted was an afterthought. The idea of providing him proper chances helped me to never stop moving forward, forever confronting whatever transitions that needed to be endured, to make his position as a winner more secured. Now I smile, feeling assured. My choices were not in vain. Locations and situations constantly change, but my unwavering heart remains. Through all the trials and all the pain, the mission is, as it's
That's his mom
always
for real?
been, for my son to become a man and live free in his American dream.
I was
See my shooter pescatarian, but he eat up all the beef. 21. You gave me your ass to kiss, but want the all of me. Not done. I stand on business, dot my eyes and cross my T's. All I got is these little pictures when I think about all the G's. Memories in my head, the devil talking to me. I know Satan down that path, but God walking with me. Put your phone light in the air if you done lost a nigga. 21. Kept it solid, ran up a bag and then had to cross a nigga. 21. Whoa. Bulletproof my car. Yeah. He a homebody, fucking kill him in his yard. Yeah. Niggas go to clubs and let down their guard. We got choppers out until we find somewhere to park. Pussy, hit the cup and nod. Church used to curb me, now they treat me like I'm God. I know you want my spot, but you don't wanna play your part. If it was up to you, you probably let these niggas start. I got rich and opened more doors than a doorman. All the Glocks came with extensions like a sew-in. Straight up. Now these cars came with BBLs and body kits. Claim you a killer, but you still ain't got a body yet. How you that nigga when you can't go where you grew up at? How that's your nigga when he count the hoes behind your back? For a family picture, you can kill me if you spot a rat. Oh God. Real rap, this ain't no cap. See my shooter pescatarian, but he eat up all the beef. You gave me your ass to kiss, but want the all of me. I stand on business, dot my eyes and cross my T's. All I got is these little pictures when I think about all the G's. Memories in my head, the devil talking to me. I know Satan down that path, but God walking with me. Put your phone light in the air if you done lost a nigga. Kept it solid, ran up a bag and then had to cross a nigga.
Game started at 5. What time is it?
I seen plenty homicides and still kept my focus. Kill you for some cloud and they'll do anything for
wanna head back? He's gotta watch the game at 5. How long have we been on the walk?
Every story.
Nobody timed it?
I could put on watches from my
10 minutes and we've been on a walk?
I can't wait on no one.
No, it's definitely been. I've been recording for a half an hour.
You serious?
Yeah.
Even if you have time.
28.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
It feels like it's been like 5.
We've been walking at what, like a 12-minute pace?
See my shooter pescatarian, but he eat up all the beef.
Y'all want to jog back or no?
Gave me your ass to kiss, but
My hands are falling whenever I try to jog.
on business, dot my eyes, cross my T's. All I got is these little pictures when I think about all the G's. Memories in my head, the devil talking to me. I know Satan down that path, but God walking with me.
If you want, let's take him back. Let's take him back first so he can make it for the game, and then we can head to the PX. Yeah. Or actually,
Yeah, let's just stop by the PX because I want to grab a couple drinks.
okay. Remind me, guys. I gotta get that shit for the sink, where you put the plates.
Shit right there.
It is horse shit.
It doesn't really stink, so you know it's horse shit.
But I gotta get.
Horses eat clean food, so.
I gotta get that shit for the plates. Please don't make me forget.
I got you. This is the biggest song.
Well, it's in the GoPro, so if you forget it's in the GoPro.
Yeah, but I'm not about to look at 30 minutes in the GoPro just to remind myself to buy that shit.
Yeah, this is the biggest song on the album.
We could just scroll towards like the end, you know, and it would like tell you like
We should go camping one day.
camping.
Yeah. After we do like trails, we should do camping. Set up a fire, burn out the wood, the whole woods.
Okay, I've heard of this song.
Whoa. Want it all, I won't leave a breadcrumb. Bitch, what I thought a nigga said some.
If we go camping, I feel like one of us are gonna have to bring a firearm of some sort.
For camping? I want to buy a hunting rifle
All we know is red rum.
and an AR, but I'm gonna chill on the AR for now.
We're gonna have to have something. You know, like something shows up in the middle of the night.
It's a May.
Yeah.
32 shots in the K. Marathon, I really.
How much is a hunting rifle at the PX?
Say you touch me, houseway.
Huh?
You can check it out.
That's when I
4th of July, they fucking have sales for it.
hypnotized. They do
Oh,
what I
that's true.
say.
So if it's like a not a bad
21,
price,
because don't play.
Yeah.
My Glock Gen 5 said, hey. Take my chopper everywhere, that's bait. Get
How does ordering firearms work? Goes to the mailroom?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to talk to my
outside, okay. I can't let a bitch play me no way. No. You a duck if you believe what hoes say.
Yeah.
Never made it as a wise man.
You know what's the
Couldn't cut it as a poor
In terms
man's
of mail, if
stealing.
you find somebody like you're comfortable with,
Yeah.
and they live off post,
Yeah.
I
probably will.
You remind me. This is how
I still gotta register it though.
you don't. But if you live on post, then yeah, you have to register.
But if I register it on post, I can just register it with the state of Kansas.
Yeah.
I'll just do that.
Or you just don't register it at all.
That's the thing, you don't have to register it, but if you do live on post, then yeah, you do have to register it.
Yeah.
Unless you want to be one of those dumbasses that get caught with unregistered firearms. You get caught during a lease, so.
Yeah. I'm definitely buying a GoPro.
As you see, the battle life is not insane, especially if you're recording at 4K.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna drain a lot more battery.
Oh yeah, there's ducks.
Like the newest GoPro that seems to record at like 8K now.
Damn. I don't need more than 4.
Yeah, 8K is so big.
Yeah. It's nice to have, but
Yeah.
I just wish there was a way for cameras to capture exactly what you know what I mean? Because like I look at this and it's beautiful. But when I look at the pictures, it's not gonna be like, you know what I mean?
yeah.
Like the pictures can't capture everything.
Well then, I mean, I guess then also it's like he was talking about where you could get like the mount for the head.
Never made it as a wise man. I couldn't cut it as a poor man stealing. And this is how you remind me. This is how you remind me.
Oh, you're like my fiance, bro. She likes doing that shit.
This is how you remind me of what I really am. This is how you remind me of what I really am. Not like you, say sorry. I was waiting on a different story. This time I'm mistaken. Forehead and you are hard worth breaking. And I've been wrong, I've been down, been to the bottom of every bottle. It's in my head,
I'm gonna sell my bench and my dumbbells.
Why?
I don't have use for them. Like the gym is gym is free. Now it's free. Back then in college it wasn't.
Yeah.
I'm gonna sell everything for 200. 230s, 240s, and the bench.
I think Clark does workouts at his house, so you might see if he wants it.
Clark?
Yeah.
Which Clark?
Your Clark.
My Clark? Oh. Yeah?
I'm driving black on black. Just got my license back. I've got this feeling in my face. This train is coming off the track. I'll ask the light if the devil needs a ride because the angel of my riding
We did a lot of ranges, mostly focused on close quarter combat. It was really fun. We did like a medical and a combo training. And then the next week they did an actual like a more like field exercises type of thing. But I had that. be like a really small thing. And that's why, like, I don't think it's because she always has a reason why she berates me the way she does. And she berates me in such a passive aggressive manner that she can spin it around the other way. Yeah, and be like, I was just mentoring him, and I was making sure that he understood the expectations and